when a call comes in, the first thing we need to make sure is to ask the customer whether there's some sort of a technical issue with the pole. Normally, the customer lets us know right off the bat, but we just want to double check that actually it is a technicality that needs to be analyzed in greater detail. So, in order to be able to do that, we of course need to know where the customer is at the time of the call. In order to be able to get more information as to his whereabouts, we usually ask for the so called EVSE ID, or the long identification number that you can find in the top left hand corner of the display. So once the customer tells us that there is a certain issue, what we do is we simply ask for the EVSE ID, or the number that begins in Germany with DE, in Sweden with SE, in the UK with GB, etc. etc. That can be found in the top left hand corner of the display. Once we have that, we enter that number into the stations control app, stations production app, should I say. And then you will see which pole it is exactly that the customer is referring to. It's going to be highlighted, as you can see, the ones that are at this location as well, but irrelevant to this conversation, they're blurred out. The one that is of relevance to us here is brought to the forefront, and then of course we click into it, and here we will have all the available information pertaining to this particular pole, along with some controls that we can utilize in order to help the customer further. Now we will discuss exactly what each control or what each function is for, and what the information within this stations production app actually inform us about.